Well, good morning and welcome to quick lesson 8. We've been looking at country strumming for the past few weeks, and this week we want to move it on a little bit and see if we can introduce alternate picking. By alternate picking I mean instead of us just doing the thumb chinga on the 1 string, we're going to alternate between the C and the G strings, a bit like this. Alright, so once you can play that C thumb chinga, and you're only going to use the C string and the next two strings. You're not going to hit this G string when you're playing the C thumb chinga. We're going to alternate between the two. So let's see if we can do that at a fairly leisurely pace. We'll start with the G, right? That's the one you're comfortable with, hopefully, right? So we'll thumb chinga, and it will be thumb chinga will be on the G and thumb chinga on the C, and that gives us a count of 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. That's what we're doing. That's how we're breaking it down. All right. So on my count of 4, leisurely thumb chingas, alternating between the two. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so play that, get into that rhythm, and then keep on going and alternating between the two. Only when you're comfortable, then speed it up, and then it will start to sound a bit more like a country strum. Hopefully, let's see if I can give that a go and give you an example. So once you speed it up, then it does start to sound country. Then what we want to do is we want to be able to change from one chord to another. So let's see if we can give that a go. Alright, so only do that when you're comfortable rocking between the two using a C. Then when you are, then it's becoming fairly natural to you, then do the change, and then just keep on adding chords into from a song. But start slowly, that C to G thumb chingas, then and only then when you've got that, move on to one chord. I'd suggest going from C to F, right, and back to C. Then when you're comfortable with that, then perhaps throw in the G7, but only do this stage by stage, step by step. Don't force yourself to be learning a song, and certainly don't be thinking about sort of singing and playing at the same time. Get the playing down first of all, which is a critical thing for us to do. The singing can come afterwards and will become natural once the playing is natural. All right, so give it one final go, rocking between the two at a fairly comfortable pace. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now rock. Alright, okay, give that a go and see if you can move from the basic one to the alternate picking. Thanks once again. and I will see you next week. Keep practicing.